Hey, I'm Mike with woodshopmike.com, and today I'm going to tell you about the new Orion line by Wagner Meters. Now, Wagner teamed up with me for a recent giveaway, and they sent me two of their new meters, the 930 and the 950. These meters are pretty similar, but there are a couple of differences that I'm going to tell you about today. Each of these is pinless, so that means you have a plate here on the back that actually measures the moisture inside the wood, so you don't have to mar the surface of your boards with pins. So each of these meters has a dual depth measuring mode, and what that means is you can select a shallow measurement for boards that are about 1/4 inch to 3/4 of an inch thick, or the deep measure mode for boards that are 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches thick. Both of these meters allow you to select different woods based on that wood's specific gravity. So to do so, you just hit the species/material button, and then you navigate up or down to reach the desired specific gravity. Once that number has been selected, you just hit the on/hold button, and then you can take your measurements. So let me show you how this works. The Orion 950 has a couple of additional options. One that I like in particular is the data option. Now what this allows you to do is to take multiple readings and store them inside the meter, so that way you don't have to write them down. And with the 950 you also get Bluetooth capability. So on your smartphone, if you download their app, you can actually transfer all of those readings to your phone to review later. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how the data collection mode works. It's pretty cool. Alright, well that's going to wrap us up for the day. A big thank you goes to Wagner Meters for sending out these two items, and be sure to go check out their new product line. Ah, you're still there. Awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I got another one queued up for you right here. And if you want other awesome content from me, check out those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe, and until next time, have fun making something.